Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Renault Clio here on a 2016 plate. Just doing the service reset, the spanner light reset as well. I'm going to show you what it is exactly and we're going to reset it. Come in. Now this is the car basically. If you've got something like this goes up to 2019. It's a Mark 5 Renault Clio. So if you've got something like this, you've got these buttons right here, and then you get a spanner light on your dash, and that's a start button right there as well. So if I just switch the ignition on, you'll see right there you've got the spanner light on. All I now do is press this button here to get to the service required. Once it gets to the service required, I press and hold the button for 5 seconds. You can either press the top button or the bottom button. That didn't work, so if I go back, go back to service interval. I press and hold the button for 5 seconds. It should flash. That's it, that's done. I then let go of the button, hold it again for 10 seconds this time. So it's either the top button or the bottom button. Should be okay. Now you can see it's gone to 18,000 miles. I let go of the button, press OK. Now change oil, do the same thing again. Press and hold the button. I let go of the button, hold it again for 10 seconds. That's 18,000 miles as well. I let go of the button, press the arrow button up again. Now you can see servicing 18,000 miles, oil changing 18,000 miles as well. So that's all done. All I now do is switch the ignition off. French cars you can't switch them off, but you can see now there's no messages memorized, so it's all good now. So the reset light's gone, the spanner light's gone, everything is all gone as well. I now then switch the ignition off, and that's it. Bow's my uncle. Not really, he's not my uncle. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you did find this video useful, do like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And there is a playlist for Renault, do check it out as well. We've done bulbs and stuff like that for the front and the rear. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.